Hey everybody, welcome and or welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another flashback video. So this video is pre-recorded, of course, because if you guys have watched my Venus XL video, you guys know that I mentioned the Venus 3 palette and I did a review on it, but I was not feeling my base. But I still want to show you guys that video because I couldn't recreate the look for some reason. But as much as I hated my base, I still want you guys to see my overall first impressions of trying a limecrime palette for the very first time. So hope you guys do enjoy this video regardless of me hating my base. Like, you guys can call me on it. That is not my very best base makeup, but it is what it is. Also, ignore my hair. It was wash day, so I washed my hair and blow dried my hair, and I really didn't feel like doing anything else with it. So excuse my hair, just pay attention to the eye, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and hopefully you guys will see me soon in regular content. There's some things I'm working on, some big things happening in my life right now, and I hope you guys are okay with these voiceover videos for now. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned to this look. So that is the eye look so far done with the Venus 3 palette. I'm loving it. So right now, as of right now, we have used 4 shades. Ecstasy, Paradise, Beam, and Bliss are the shades that I've used. So what I'm gonna do is go off camera, do my base, and then I'm gonna come back and we can go ahead and finishing up. We can go ahead, come back, finish up the eye, as well as testing some of the other limecrime products that I got in my mystery box. So yeah, stick around, I'll be back. I took Beloved, like kind of on my lash line, my lower lash line, and then I took Dreamy and just buffed that out because they look like 2 different colors, but at the same time on my eyes they complement each other, because this is more of a shimmery sheen and then that's kind of like a matte, so it's like they just literally complement each other and they look so good underneath my eye because I didn't want to do a deep smoky dark eye like I've been doing. So next up for my inner corner, I am going to go to Rapture, which is this shimmer shade. Oh, what kind of shade is this? Because that was sweet. Soft blush with blue flash. So it's a shimmer matte. Soft blush with blue flash is what that is. Wow, like when you that's crazy. Like once I like stroked my brush across, like I could definitely see the blue. That's crazy. Hopefully this looks good on my eye. So I'm going to do something that, because I'm random, I want to do. I'm going to try the shade Bliss as a blush. Because I've used every other shade and I want it to be different and I don't have a highlighter in this mystery box, I'm going to go ahead and use Heavenly as my highlighter because why not? Definitely might be a little too glittery for a highlight. I feel like Rapture might have been a little bit better, but I'm already here and I like it and I'm gonna go with it. So Venus 3, what's good? I love this palette, I do. I'm so mad it took me so long to try it, but at the same time, I'm happy that I got such a great deal on 9 products. Like this alone is 38 bucks and I'm actually happy all the shades showed up. I didn't really have to build them up that much, but I wanted to to give my look some depth, but even with just like 2 applications of that shade, and I was getting somewhere. I was getting depth with just 1 application of it, and it was just like, what? These 2 shades, these 2 purples, what, baby? But this is making me really excited to try out the Venus XL palette. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Stay safe, stay happy. See you guys. Peace.